5 ways to judge the quality of lithium batteries. First, the fastest way to test is to test the internal resistance and maximum discharge current. Good quality lithium battery internal resistance is very small. The maximum discharge current is very large. Using a 20 ampere range of multimeters directly connected to the 2 electrodes of the lithium battery, the current should generally be about 10 ampere or even higher, and can remain relatively stable for a period of time is a good battery. Second, look at the appearance of the degree of fullness. For example, generally about 2000 mAh lithium batteries are larger. More sophisticated workmanship or packaging appears to be fuller. Third, look at the hardness. You can use your hand to gently pinch or moderate pinch the middle part of the lithium battery. Moderate hardness without a soft squeeze is proof that the lithium battery cell belongs to a relatively high-quality battery cell. Fourth, look at the weight in addition to the outer packaging. Perceive the weight of the lithium battery is relatively heavy. If the heavy belongs to the quality of the battery cell. Last, when the lithium battery is charged and working, continue to discharge for about 10 minutes. If the battery poles are not hot, it proves that the battery protection board system is complete. Lithium batteries with high quality protective plates are of better quality than ordinary lithium batteries.